Today in Soldier and Reveille says, try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. And get out there. Have a blessed day. Know you're wonderful. Know you're worth it. Happy Grandparents' Day to the grandparents out there. And go be awesome. Go inspire somebody. Yeah? Go inspire someone? Go inspire someone. Yeah. Today in Soldier says, even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you just sit there. So get up and have a blessed day. Go inspire someone. Bye. Today in Soldier and Reveille says, you can never do kindness too soon. Oops, sorry, buddy. Because you never know when it'll be too late. So go out there, do some kindness, have a great day, and know that you're loved. Go inspire someone.